Okay, so here is your question related to the module. Now in this case, you need to make this drawing using all of the commands which you have learned so far. So I'll start this geometry using a rectangle tool. So I'll go to the draw panel, select the flyout and select this rectangle tool. Now click anywhere in the drawing area and then I'll make the rectangle. For making rectangle, I'll type at and then length of rectangle, which is 10. So right now you can see in this drawing that the length is 9 units from the first center point of the fillet to the second center point, but the radius of this fillet is 0.5. That means we have 0.5 unit towards left and also 0.5 towards right. That makes a total of 10 unit. So that's the length. Similarly, the width is 4 unit and 0.5 towards upward and 0.5 towards downward will add up to make it of 5 unit length. So I'll type 5 as width. Now here we have it. Now press enter. So that's the rectangle which we need. Now in this rectangle, we need to add fillets first. So to add the fillet, go to this fillet tool, select the radius, and the radius is of 0.5 units. So let's type 0.5 and press enter. Now we need to apply it on all of these vertices. So I'll simply select polyline, click on any of these lines, and there we have it. Now we'll add the geometry which is at the center of this rectangle, and for that I'll go to the line tool. Now click on this midpoint and make a line with length of 2.5 units and press enter. So that will end exactly at the center. Now I'll go to circle, click at this point and make a circle with radius of 3 units and press enter. Press enter again, go to the same point and make another circle with radius of 1.6 and press enter. Now we don't need this line. Also, we don't need this portion, so I'll trim it. So select trim, press enter, click on this part and click on this part. So this portion is complete. Now let's move on to the next portion. Here we need to add another line with length of 2 units. So I'll click on this midpoint and I'll enter a length of 2 unit and press enter. Press enter again to exit this command. Now we need to go to circle tool and click on this endpoint and make a circle with radius of 0.6 unit. Press enter again, and this time again go to the same point and make another circle with radius of 1 unit and press enter. Now we need to make a circle which is tangent on this circle and tangent on this line. So I'll go to the flyout, select tangent radius, and I'll click at this point, then at this point, and enter a radius of 1 unit and press enter. There we have it. Now we need to trim it. So I'll go to trim tool, press enter, click on this point, and there we have it. Now we can make a mirror image. So I'll go to mirror, select this portion, press enter, click on this midpoint and click on this center, press enter again. So now we don't need this part. Also, we don't need this portion. So I'll go to trim tool, press enter and remove this portion. Now we need to make a mirror image of this on this side. So I'll select it all, go to mirror tool, click on the center of this circle and midpoint of this horizontal line and simply press enter. There we have it, the mirror image. Now we need to add a final detail and we can add it by removing these two parts. So I'll go to trim, press enter, remove this portion and remove this portion and press enter. So that's the final drawing which we were required to make.